For many years, Dean lived with this pride of lions in South Africa. That's why even 2 weeks apart felt far too long for all of them.
Darn.
After the fire took so much, one tiny life was still saved. This reunion is not just relief, but a spark of hope amid the loss.
Thank you, God. Thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you, God.
Okay. Ken, will you get a leash?
I will do. You just love on him for a second.
The kindness of good-hearted people helped Jojo find his way back home. When reunited with Jojo, his owner couldn't hide the overwhelming emotions. Welcome home, Jojo.
Hey, Jojo.
Is this your kitty cat? Sam, the kitty cat man. I've missed you so much. Things just
After
like
11
don't happen
long
like
years,
this all the
they
time.
finally found each
You
other.
were so
A
special.
reunion like a miracle.
Yes.
And a bond that time could
His
never
long
break.
hair. Oh, Sam.
He raised a gorilla named Kiabi and released it into the wild 5 years ago. But Kiabi recognized his voice and didn't want to let him go again. Her cat had been missing for 7 days, but her hope never faded. At last, the cat returned as if in a dream.
Ой, тут кешенька. Ой, хороший.
Not everyone is welcomed by a swan spreading its wings. Between them is a deep bond, a friendship built only through time and trust.
Last time we saw him, he was 8 years old. Now he's 15, so it's been forever.
This girl once had to sell her beloved horse when she started college. But after 2 years apart, today they shared a deeply emotional reunion.
Seeing if my dog recognizes my mom walking by after not seeing her for 6 months. Quick double take. Wait a sec. Grandma.
A touching moment as the girl reunites with her dog after 5 months of training. They must have missed each other so much.
Thank you so much.
The surprise is not only for the family, but also for their pet. You can't imagine how happy that made them.
Reunion with my buddy after 2 months abroad.
Can you imagine the joy in this puppy's heart after more than a year away from his mom? It's pure happiness overflowing. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more.